Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about who really discovered America. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Did Christopher Columbus arrive in America in 1492? Yes, Columbus reached the Caribbean in 1492. Were Native Americans already living in America before Columbus arrived? Yes, Native American civilizations had been on the continent for thousands of years. Was Leif Erikson the first known European to reach North America? Yes, the Viking explorer Leif Erikson landed in North America around the year 1000. Did Columbus set foot on the mainland of North America? No. Columbus only explored the Caribbean and parts of Central and South America. Were the Vikings able to establish a permanent settlement in America? No. Their settlements were temporary and did not last. Is there solid proof that Chinese explorers reached America before Columbus? No. There is speculation, but no definitive proof. Did Columbus's voyages lead to permanent contact between Europe and America? Yes. His journeys started European exploration and colonization of the New World. Were the Aztec and Inca civilizations already well developed before Europeans arrived? Yes, they had advanced societies with complex cultures and technologies. Did Columbus's arrival bring both opportunities and negative consequences for indigenous people? Yes, it led to trade and expansion, but also resulted in colonization and suffering for Native Americans. Is the discovery of America a simple story with only one explorer involved? No, it is a complex history involving many civilizations and explorers. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.